Hi, we're going to show you how to set up a cot today for cold weather care. I'm Donna with North Metro, and this is Ben, and we are going to show you the process that we go through to prepare before the guests arrive. The cots will arrive in a case, and Ben has taken that out of the case. He's going to put it in the room where the guests are going to arrive. The legs will fold out. All three legs on the floor, and then you can fold the cot out very conveniently in the place where you're going to need to have it. He's going to slip one into the sleeve at the end of the cot. You'll notice as you begin to prepare to insert the end piece, there is a groove at the end of the end piece. One end has an arch on it. That end needs to be pointing up towards the ceiling, and you'll notice that Ben will place that into the end of the cot, and they snap into place, and so you know that they are nice and secure. The next piece is a little bit tricky because it will require a little bit of force in order to be able to push this last end piece. Notice how Ben is pushing quite heavily, and it also snaps into place. So now you know that your cot is secure and ready for the guest. At this point, then we would put the pillows and the sheets and the blankets on for the guests. Now Ben's going to show you how we would disassemble the cot and take it apart and then prepare it for taking to the next church. You take apart the end pieces. Fold the cot in half, then lift the cot so that the legs then go to the center, and then it easily folds up into one piece. And then he inserts the cot into the bag. And then we insert the legs. And pull on the drawstring to attach everything. And your cot is packed and ready to go to the next church. And then you would take it to the assembly room wherever all the cots are being gathered to go into the cold weather van. We hope this video has helped you in order to know how to assemble a cot for cold weather care.